Okay, 2010 Fleetwood Encounter. We going inside. There we go. I had to open up all the windows to let the light in, which I did not. Alright, here we go. We've got our gas stove. Flips up. Gas oven. Comes with pots, pans, microwave. Chilly cold AC. Lots and lots of storage. The couch folds out into a bed. The cockpit turns into another seating area. The dinette folds out into a bed. There's a refrigerator and a freezer. Runs on gas, propane, and electric. Moving on back, I've got the privacy screen up for the kids. Love the bunk beds. There we go. We just got back from a trip to Boone. Our Hurricane Florence party. We bugged out. It's the master suite. For the door that closes. Storage up above. I believe we got some towels in there. Got a gas furnace control back here, as well as in the front. This opens up for a TV. Plenty of storage. The bed lifts up for more storage. Blankets, towels, you name it. Everything in here works great. TV back here. I don't know if you can see it. Another flat screen TV with wireless headphones. Plenty more. Back up to the front. Big old TV in the front. Control box for satellite, DVD, whatever you have. Cable. It's got a fairly new sound system. This is the rear vision. You can always see what's on the trailer. Gotta watch the windows. There you are. Oh, the bathroom. More storage in here. AC, heat. Voila. Let's see. What I've done in here, I've upgraded the shower head. Got a nice massager shower head. Nice little size medicine cabinet up there. More storage there. Storage down below. Storage, storage, storage. Lots of storage. Thin storage here. Paper towels, toilet paper. Same thing. And there you go. Voila.